The MHP series from Functional Devices is a prefabricated 3-in-1 enclosure package that is fitted with a power supply and a sub-panel right out of the box. The series offers 2 enclosure choices, 2 power supply choices, and 3 sub-panel choices. Enclosures come in narrow or wide styles, each made with 14-gauge steel. Both have reversible doors, so users can access the panel from whichever direction fits best. A key latch is included to lock the panel from unauthorized personnel. Installed at the top of the enclosure is a single or double 100 VA, 120 to 24 VAC power supply. Knockouts directly above the power supply can accept 0.5-inch or 0.75-inch conduit and maintain Class II protection for everything inside the enclosure. Both power supplies are fitted with a 10-amp breaker on the input side, and each output is equipped with a breaker, an on-off switch, and an LED status indicator. Mounted at the back of the enclosure is a perforated steel or polymetal subpanel. The panel is removable and sits atop screw post standoffs to provide hardware clearance. To learn more about the model variations in the MHP series, including enclosure and panel sizes, visit galco.com.